What's up, YouTube? I'm back up to my crazy shenanigans. Knock, knock, knock. Check it out, guys. I put my phone on my Stingy. I got a mount. The way I got some of my mounts set up, I was able to make a mount, and I put my phone on my Stingy. And now we're fixing to fly. This should be fun, guys. I got a little bridge over here. So I'm not gonna go up very high, and I'm probably not gonna do no twirly flippy stuff or nothing like that. I'm just gonna fly around smoothly and see what the footage looks like. So here you guys go. Check it out. iPhone 11 Pro Max on a Stingy FPV drone flying around this bridge. Roll it. Here we go, guys. Here we go. right, guys, that was awesome. That's gonna end the video. That was freaking cool. Hopefully you guys liked it. I think that's gonna be some awesome stuff. You guys enjoy it, and let me know down in the comments and leave a lot of likes. I'll do it again. Share it with everybody for me. Help try to make it go viral. You don't see too many people flying a drone with their phone on it, especially an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Anyway, guys, there's the bridge. I'm eventually gonna get enough confidence and get good enough. I probably could have done it already, but I already crashed once today, so I didn't want to crash anymore. But I eventually want to get good enough where I can power loop that bridge. I want to power loop it. Right now I'm just going under it and flying around it and stuff, and there's also a tunnel under the road right here. I want to try to hit that eventually someday too, but I definitely want to power loop that bridge. Anyway, guys, subscribe if you're new, share the video, smash the like button if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment down below. I answer everybody. Welcome to the family. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Keep flying and keep your heads up.